5 a.m. and I'm getting ready. Because today we will go to Negros to attend the wedding of my cousin and pumunta kami sa studio. So, sasama kayo the whole trip and yeah. So guys, this is our outfit. Ching. Then, ayusin ko pa to, tsaka this one, tsaka yung maleta ko sa labas. Go, Te! Say hi to my vlog. Hello. Are you vlogging? Documenting my life. Wow. Bago to cellphone mo, dito gawin. Ay, hindi ako ibigay. Saan tayo, Te? Sana all guwapa.
Ang ano yan? May cellphone na po. Tawag kayo lang. Pakita kita yan. Iba ako pa. Ako. Sining isang cellphone.
Wala na po. Sila Ate Jessa pa. David.
Wala kami na yung gamit tao yun na
Ato oh. Her off design. Yeah.
Hindi okay lang. Tabunan man yun.
Bracelet ngayon sa kanya ngayon hindi matago.
Ay, ganun ba? Tahiin mo. May time ka pa. Tahiin mo siya.
Hello?
Wala ka dyan.
Ganda ng katuwado.
3 hours. So 5 hours ang dating dapat.
Punta kaming
Hi, I'm Kendall and I'm Kylie. We're about to visit the farm today.
So ito po yung ano namin ngayon. Ano Tagalog? Okay. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! This is from Africa. sa ano? Okay kayo sa makeup, no? Hindi nag-oil, no? Hindi nag-oil.
Good evening. Hi, Bobs, Bibi, Mine. First of all, happy anniversary to us. Today we stand here as we walk down our memory lane. I am still amazed by how we endure all the hardships and difficulties that life throws upon us. Being high school lovers, full of pahinto, inarte, and everything in between, we experienced all our first, and now, in God's perfect time, all our would be last. And on this day, in front of our Almighty God and all our loved ones, I choose you and promise to choose you as my wife every day we wake up. I will love you in words and deeds. I will laugh with you, cry with you, scream with you, grow with you, and with you. Today, to be your kin and your partner in all of life's adventure. I promise to love you for who you are and for who you are yet to become. I promise to nurture your dreams and help you reach them. I promise to share my whole heart with you and to remember to show you how deeply I care for you. No matter the challenges that may come our way, I promise to love you loyally and fiercely as long as I breathe. You are worth it and you are worth the wait. I love you so much, Pops.
Wow, palakpakan ka pala yun. High school lovers, galing sila. Just 12 years in the make.
To my Babs, my Joshua. Standing here today in the presence of God, our family and friends, I am filled with overwhelming joy and gratitude. Looking back where we all started, I am so blessed to found a man who taught me to find beauty in the madness, to appreciate the small, quiet moments of joy that often get overshadowed by life's demands. You remind me to breathe, to take things one step at a time, and to believe that everything will be okay. Your love is a gentle reminder that I am not alone. With you by my side, I am stronger and more hopeful. Thank you for loving me, even after witnessing how unstable I could get, how quickly my mood changes, how sensitive I may be, and how I tend to overthink even the smallest things. I don't even know what words should I use to explain how grateful I am to have you. You have a way of making me feel seen and understood. Your level of care and passion for what you love is unmatched. I am madly in love with the person you are today, and I cannot wait to see who we become together. I hope our love never grows old. I hope that 50 years down the road, you are still the face I see when I wake up for the day on a cold Monday morning. It has been a long journey, Moms, and now we are finally getting married. I thank the Lord for sending you, for giving me the purest love, and help me believe that there's more to look forward to in life. For offering me a place to rest, for keeping me warm, and holding me when things got too heavy. Starting today, I promise to love you, not only when life is easy and full of laughter, but also in times of difficult and tears. I promise to respect you, to listen to you, and to always communicate openly and honestly with you. Together, we will build a life full of adventure, creativity, and purpose. Mamahalin kita sa araw ng trangkaso, sa araw na delayed ang sweldo, sa araw na gusto mong mapag-isa, sa araw ng gutom,
sa araw na sobra pa sa sapat. Dahil ang makasama ka sa pagkabigo ay ang makasama ka sa ating paglago. Ikaw ang nais kong matagpuan mula sa simula hanggang sa huling pahina. Ikaw ang nais kong kapiling mula sa takip siling hanggang sa pagsapit ng umaga. Ikaw lang hanggang sa huling pag-indak ng mga paa. Hanggang sa huling paghinga. Happy 12th anniversary, Pops. I love you so much.
Wow, palakpakan na baliw.
I was made for loving you. Even though we may be
We want to please refrain from the movement so that we can ensure the steady of the atmosphere.
Hi! So hi guys, so ngayon nagtatago po kami dito sa CR. And that's Ate Nicole. Para hindi po kami makasayaw. Kasi may sayaw-sayaw sila doon. Tsaka si Ate Yvette, si Ate Jess, yung boyfriend niya. Yeah, we're here lang para matapusin namin yung sayaw and we will go there and we will eat.
Of our bride's best and our groom's best. Everyone for joining us. And thank you so much, our principal sponsor, two hearts collide, and now they are celebrating with love. 2.5, 0.5, and 1! And we give a round of applause, please. Alright, so I believe we are now on the awaited.
Hey guys, so we're eating right now.
Mariano family, the joint Nabicolan family. Please stay.
Another one nga pwede naman ibato-bato pick. Diba? Lumalaki na lumalaki yung pera mo. Okay? Gets na? Inoyo? O, diba? Asus.
I will go upstairs.
Pinakabilog ka na now. Uy,
Di na tayo matutulog again, guys. Ilan daw yung matutulog?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ano kami? Naging patungkog yung mga music. Kibot kami. Ano kami? Ang music niyo?
Ayan na, te, sayo ka, salamin. Salamin.
Ano music niyo? Kasi hindi
Thank po, guys.
May vlog ka? Mag-edit ka?
Opo. Ang cute niyo dyan. Okay guys, so we're walking po. Guess
Ganito
guess
kami
where?
sa ano?
Guess where we're going?
Sa Japan, ganito kami ka-safe.
Yeah.
Kahit nag...
Night walk.
Siyempre, as ano, at chaperon lang talaga ako ng mga kabataan Pinoy.
This is all so crazy. This is so famous. Homesick, too much pressure on us. So the taxi has on the radio, and the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So the waves up, praise my song, fly away. Lying like it, going west like it.
After dinner.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to our vlog. Kamulat vlog. Lagi ka bang kamulat?
Video sa outfit share. Wow, asa sa yung taas yung video ko na.
Uy, Sabrina yung papa mo doon.
Kaya actually ko siya.
Di mo siya
Parang TikTok. H&M, puro sa kayo. Skill mo iba.
For my sister, from my mama, and I am from my mother.
I'm from Mama's,
Wong.
ganda na.
Zian, say hi to my vlog.
Necklace from,
Ayun. Say
I don't know, sa ano,
subscribe.
outfit check.
Sabi mo, subscribe.
Top from,
Tingnan
Mosimo.
mo, height difference. Check, top from.
Top from Mosimo.
Shorts.
I don't know. Hiram kaya.
Slippers. Socks.
Uwa.
Yes.
Yes.
Kuya, outfit check.
Ay, daw.
So yun na guys.
Wait lang. Salamat sa pag-check naman.
Ay, outfit check ba? Outfit check. Top from? I don't know. Shorts from? Other. Ira and slippers
From Mama.
Mama. That's it.
From Kalibo.
Kaya nga, wala tayong dalang